The following video is a PROMAX 26 by 90 gap lathe. This unit has a 4-inch bore with a 2-axis new old digital readout. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
All right, we'll go ahead and start her up. Start about threading.
That's your threading off the half nut. Has a power rapid on the carriage. That's your cross feeding. Now that is your carriage feeding. Again, your power rapid.
Alright, that was currently set for low speed at 230. We'll go ahead and bring it to 340. Now we'll switch it to high. Low speed and high, 105. $530.
Again, the following video was a PROMAX 26 by 90 gap lathe with a 2-axis digital readout with a 4-inch bore.